Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate chip cookie cream pie. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To make the chocolate chip cookies, in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, and cream them with an electric mixer on a medium-high speed for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add in the egg, and beat the mixture again for another minute. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the creamed butter and sugar mixture, and add in the mini chocolate chips, and mix them by hand until they're well combined. Then scoop the dough out onto an ungreased baking pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 to 2 inches. Then bake them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they're nicely browned. They will be quite soft when you first pull them out, but they will get crisp as they cool. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the pan for 2 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Then to make the mini cookies for garnishing the pie later, roll teaspoon-sized balls of cookie dough and place them onto a baking pan, spacing them out at least an inch apart. And bake them in the oven for about 8 minutes until they're nicely browned. Then to make the crust, in a large plastic bag, add about 12 of the cooled cookies that we just made. You may need more or less depending on the size of the cookies. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then crush them using a rolling pin to make fine crumbs. Try and make them as fine as you can. Then measure out 2 cups of the crumbs and place them into a medium bowl, and add in the melted butter and mix them together until they're well combined. Then pour the mixture into an ungreased pie pan and press it firmly all over the inside until it's evenly covering the bottom and the sides. Then place it into the fridge for now until it's set. To make the cookie dough cream filling, you first need to heat treat the flour because it's not safe to eat raw flour. So add the flour into a frying pan and heat it over a medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches a temperature of at least 200 degrees. Then remove it from the heat and set it aside and let it cool completely. Then in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and softened butter and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then add in the brown sugar and powdered sugar and mix them on a low speed at first, then beat them on a high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the heat-treated flour, make sure it's completely cooled, and add in the salt. And mix them in just until they're combined. Then in a separate bowl, add in the heavy cream and whip it until it forms soft peaks. Try not to whip it to stiff peaks. Then add it into the rest of the mixture and add in the finely chopped chocolate, or you can use mini chocolate chips, and fold it into the mixture until it's just combined. Then pour it into the pan with the cookie crust. Spread it out until it's even. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours until it's firm. Then once it's ready, remove it from the fridge. And if you like, you can pipe on some whipped cream. Drizzle it with chocolate ganache. And finish it off with some of the mini cookies that we made earlier. And you can serve it whenever you like. And that's how to make a chocolate chip cookie cream pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.